There are certain moments in life when we don't know how, but we still say yes to the why. Hello everyone, Namaste. My name is Sanjay Dua. I am the founder of Dua's Knowledge Portly, and welcome to the Portly of Possibilities, a new initiative which is born out of a lot of experiment, lot of intention, and above that, with a belief that every individual carries Portly within himself or herself, and it's just somebody who can scratch that particular possibility to make that person prosper. 5 साल पहले जब हमने अपनी शुरुआत की जर्नी की, मंज़र कुछ अलग था, कोविड का सिनेरियो था, कुछ लोगों ने कहा गलत कर रहे हो, कुछ लोगों ने कहा ये सही नहीं है, थोड़ा डिले करो एंड ऑल दोज थिंग. बट एक कहावत कहते हैं ना कि इंसान दुनिया में कुछ समय के लिए आता है, नथिंग इज़ परमानेंट इन दिस लाइफ. क्या होगा? कुछ नहीं होगा तो तजुर्बा होगा, शाम के बाद सवेरा होगा, हर गिरावट में एक सीख होगी और हर सीख से आपका सफ़र और बेहतर होगा. इसी थॉट के साथ, विद दिस थॉट, वी आर लॉन्चिंग आवर फर्स्ट पॉडकास्ट विच इज़ कॉल्ड एज द पोर्टली ऑफ पॉसिबिलिटीज़, which is a great, I would say, a gratefulness, a kind of a remembrance to 5 years of DKP, and thanks to each one of you for helping us in this journey. And I'm so glad to announce that first of our guests for this podcast is one of my dearest friend who didn't only join his family business, he rebuilt it, he reshaped entire thing. I would say he rather recreated the entire thing through his systems and lot of innovations. जब कभी होता है ना, हम आप शांत हो जाते हैं, सक्सेसफुल हो जाते हैं तो शांत से बैठ जाते हैं, नैप ले लेते हैं. बट दिस गाय नेवर स्टॉप. ही स्टार्टेड डूइंग द सेम थिंग फॉर अदर बिजनेसेस ऑल्सो. यू नो, बचपन में हमें कहा जाता था बुक्स पढ़ो, बुक रीडिंग इज गुड एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. वी नेवर यूज टू पे अटेंशन, राइट? एंड दिस द गाय who thought of writing a book. That is still okay, but he thought of writing a book with none other than Mr. Brian Tracy. He co-authored a book with him. He created a platform and an ecosystem जहाँ पे सारे कैलकाटा के entrepreneurs, they can come under together one roof, have peer-to-peer learning and grow their business. Please welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Naren Agarwal. Hi, Naren. Hi.
Jay, so
Welcome.
nice to see you. Thank you for having me.
Please have a seat. Hello, Naren bhai. Welcome. Thank you so much for accepting our request.
Of course, it's a pleasure to be here. Welcome and congratulations on 5th year of Dua's Knowledge Portly.
थैंक यू सो मच नरेन. आई थिंक बचपन में आप भी देखे होंगे डॉन, जिसमें कहा जाता था ना, डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है. आई थिंक डॉन पकड़ा जाएगा, आपको पकड़ना मुश्किल हो गया, राइट?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है.
सो टेल मी नरेन भाई, व्हेन यू run from one meeting to another, you're doing business coaching, you're running your own family business also, you have created something new also for supporting business growth and all. आपकी Spotify में कोई चैनल्स बनाए हुए हैं, लाइक क्या क्या करना है? सो इज देयर अ Spotify फॉर दैट आल्सो?
Spotify में एक ही चैनल है, उसका नाम है स्केलिंग अप.
ओके.
अभी लाइफ का वही फेज है. It's very interesting, right? Like there's seasons in earth, there's seasons in life, and 0 to 22 is your spring time. When there's a full possibilities. आप बचपन में आपको लगता है एस्ट्रोनॉट बनना है, ये करना है, वो करना है, सब कुछ करना है. एंड जब आप 22 से 24 साल में आते हो ना, तो स्प्रिंग थोड़ा समर आता है, हीट आता है. तब लगता है विजन तो है, बट कुछ करना पड़ेगा उस विजन के लिए, राइट? तो दौड़ना पड़ेगा. एंड दैट इज द फेज आई एम लिविंग बिटवीन 22 to 44, so that when the autumn comes and the winter comes, I'm prepared.
So is it like indirectly you are telling your age also to the audience?
Maybe.
Great. I'm so glad that you are here. First thing, I think I'm very inquisitive about, to knowing about you as a person. And first thing which was like kind of caught my eye was you have co-authored a book. जब हम लोग टाइम मैनेजमेंट का सेशंस लेते हैं and all, so first thing which I tell people that eat that frog. Yeah, get that difficult task done, and credit to Brian Tracy for giving us that kind of phenomenon.
Absolutely.
How come in this entire planet or entire earth you got in touch with Mr. Brian Tracy, and how you co-authored that book? So why I'm asking this question is because this is something very profound for me personally. Because you can write of your own, you can do ghost writing and all, but doing something with Brian Tracy, is it like you manifested something, or what was your thought? I just want to understand your mindset behind that.
So growing up, whenever we saw कि कोई author है, तो बहुत बड़ा बात है ये तो, it's like impossible to do. And I realized growing up that, to write a book and to read a book is very powerful, because you get a person's lifelong knowledge in few pages, and you can absorb that, because life is too short to learn from your own mistakes.
Right.
So might as well learn from someone else's mistake.
Absolutely.
And so when I said कि book कभी सोचे थे कभी लिखेंगे, एक wish list में डाला हुआ था कि I will write a book at some point. suddenly by happen chance, luck, somehow or the other, a possibility came up where I called someone for totally something else, and they were partnering up with Brian Tracy and helping people they were looking for people, selecting people who have value to add, to come participate in co-authoring with Brian Tracy. So I applied, I gave my insights, and I got through. I was like, wow, this is awesome. And it's just like you sometimes एक wish list होता है, but आपके दिमाग में होता है कि कभी ना कभी कोई possibility आएगी. In a way, it's a manifestation. And when the opportunity came up, the most people will start doubting कि करूँ नहीं करूँ. I said, let's not doubt it. Let's take it up. So I took the plunge, and luckily it happened. The book got printed, and it was just a happen chance, but opportunity came up, and I just decided to take it.
Amazing. I think that's not a luck or chance. I want to go more into that, your mindset.
Yeah.
When you say that you had a wish list that
Yeah.
you will write a book, kabhi na kabhi likhenge.
Yeah.
So is it like just having a wish list helps you? Why I'm asking this, because there are a lot of people, once they are successful, people say, yaar, uska to hona hi tha. Or some people say, yaar, kismat acha tha. But what is your thought in understanding that mindset? Is it like actually luck by chance? Or is it like after that wish list, there are a lot of process, manifestation, the work behind that, which actually help to see us that particular result?
Yeah.
So what is that on your take?
I used to listen to rap music a lot. एक rapper है Big Sean. वो एक song में amazing line बोलता है I guess it took me 14 years to become an overnight success. So जब आप successful होते हो तो सबको लगता है कि ये तो एक रात में हो गया, but वो आदमी 14 साल से लिख रहा था गाने, तो अभी Big Sean बन गया है. So with that parallel, you are absolutely right. एक होता है wishful thinking. आपने दिमाग में सोचा है, जब आपने उसको पेपर पे उतारा, when you thought on paper, that's when it becomes a wish list. You're already taking a step towards achieving it. Because research has shown the chances of you achieving a goal, if you write it on paper, goes up by 42%.
Wow.
तो पॉइंट क्या है कि दिमाग में सोचा, उसको लिखा. अब जब आपने लिखा और आपने उसको देखा, तो आपने पॉसिबिलिटीज क्रिएट करना चालू की अपने दिमाग में कि वो अपॉर्चुनिटीज को आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सको. आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. आप अगर लाल गाड़ी खरीदते हो, लेट्स से यू बॉट अ न्यू किया सेल्टॉस, फेमस हो रखा है गाड़ी लाल. You go around, you'll start seeing all Kia Seltos. It's not that दुनिया में नया Kia Seltos आया है, because we don't perceive reality, we perceive what we focus on. So when you write something, you start focusing on it, you start focusing on such possibilities, and when it comes up, you can take it. Having said that, सिर्फ लिख देने से हो जाएगा नहीं. What I said, when possibility comes up, you have to take action on it. And sometimes you have to constantly take action even if something is not springing up. It's like this Chinese bamboo tree. चाइनीज बैम्बू ट्री का अमेजिंग स्टोरी है, ये है संजय भाई, कि 5 साल तक चाइनीज बैम्बू ट्री में एक फार्मर पानी देता है, पौधा देता है, और वो कितना ग्रो करता है?
Maybe this much.
इतना सा ग्रो करता है, 1 फीट. 5 साल बाद, in 1 year, the Chinese bamboo tree shoots up by 60 feet. So 5 साल जो फार्मर पानी दे रहा था वो बेवकूफ है. उसका मैनिफेस्टेशन है 5 साल बाद आएगा, but I'm putting in the work even now. I'm putting the water, putting the sunlight, even if I'm not seeing it, because I know there's a possibility where I will pour, water in.
Absolutely. So you mean to say dedication, perseverance, having a resilient mindset is equally important apart from the wish list?
Absolutely. क्योंकि विश लिस्ट को लिख के छोड़ दिया तो फिर तो हम जीनी ढूंढेंगे कि अलादीन का चिराग कभी मिल जाए तो हो जाए. बट द रियल जीनी इज टू थिंक ऑफ इट, राइट इट, and then work towards it.
I think I would like to add on few things which you mentioned and maybe want your insight on so that. I'm sure you have read Placebo.
Yeah.
जहाँ पे एक बड़ा interesting सा phenomenon है where it mentioned that an atom, 99.9% of the atom is absolutely free and only 0.001% is physical matter, and the remaining 99.9% is all energy.
Yeah.
And the moment you start working on that energy and what you mentioned as a wish list and manifestation with a tadka of hard work, perseverance. हम लोग क्या होता है when we start something, going to a gym, आप देखना 31st December के बाद 1st January को जिम की लिस्ट कितनी बड़ी हो जाती है, and then after 2-3 months it dies out.
Correct.
I think as you rightly mentioned, consistently with that, I think that makes it bigger.
Absolutely.
Thanks for sharing that, Naren. I think really profound for our viewers also, because book likhna and having that manifestation, going through that phases and then sitting over here, it takes a lot.
Yeah.
Great.
Thank you.
So another, when you mention about, and I talked about you doing a lot of things with other businesses also. You reshaped your own business,
Yeah.
right? You have a family business. So कभी होता है ना कि हमें अगर अपने घर के पेरेंट्स के भी कुछ हैबिट्स, पुराने हैबिट्स को ट्वीक करना हो, इवन खाने में भी, तो इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ पेन, इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ रिगर टू
Correct.
एक्चुअली go and make them understand and think. And you are, doing something for a multi-crore business and telling your team or telling your, the ancestors and people who have been running for last so many years that this is not the correct way to do
Correct
now.
way to do it, yeah.
So how do you face that kind of a scenario?
So I'll give a long answer.
Yeah.
मैं आपको जर्नी बताता हूँ, क्योंकि अभी लगता है बड़ा ग्लैमरस, ओके यू गो ट्रांसफॉर्म बिजनेसेस, मल्टी करोड़, 100,000 करोड़ की बिजनेसेस, बट जर्नी स्टार्ट कहाँ से हुआ था? सो हुआ क्या, वी ग्रो अप इन अ बिजनेस फैमिली, वेर अ मारवाड़ी फैमिली. जब बॉर्न हुए थे तो बहुत ज़्यादा लैविश लाइफ नहीं था, कोई सिल्वर स्पून नहीं था. फादर वॉज बिल्डिंग अ बिजनेस, एंड दोज वर सम स्ट्रगल डेज, वी वर इन अ रेंटेड हाउस वेर आई वॉज बॉर्न. धीरे धीरे एज द बिजनेस ग्रू, we saw better lifestyle, better quality, better education. तो करते करते बड़े हुए. फिर एक ट्रेंड था कि अमेरिका जाके पढ़ना है कॉलेज में, कि अच्छा एजुकेशन लेना है. सो वी वर फॉर्चुनेट, वी वेंट टू द US टू स्टडी. अब अमेरिका से पढ़ के वापस आए तो यहाँ पे पता लगा कि यहाँ पे गाड़ी उल्टा चलता है. यहाँ पे वो बाहर का ज्ञान कोई काम नहीं आता. तो क्या करें, व्हाट टू डू? And so 1.5 years I was a failure in my business, right? So I want to share that journey because what we are doing now comes from a place where I was a big failure. And that's where a possibility opened up, because what happened was one day there was this large team gathering, मेरी team gather हुई थी, और मैं बोला कि we'll introduce new HR policy. अमेरिका से पढ़ के आए हैं तो अब टीम में HR और सब बढ़िया होना चाहिए. तो HR policy अनाउंस किया, और जैसे अनाउंस किया, one of the most senior team members came in front of me and told everybody, this is a pretty much bullshit policy. We will not follow this. Do what you want. And I was scratching my head. Boss, I came to take charge of the business owner. And यहाँ पे one team member comes and says कि boss सब बकवास है.
Right.
And the whole team is, for him. And that day I walked down. I remember walking down 2-3 flights of stairs, नीचे चलते चलते. और इतना जोर का ईगो में एक बहुत जोर का हिट लगा था. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग एंड दिस हैपेंस. एंड दैट्स द डे आई डिसाइडेड, बॉस, या तो यहाँ बिजनेस करना सीख लो, या तो छोड़ दो. या तो फिर अमेरिका में H1B का जॉब मिला था, वही करते. तो यहाँ क्यों आए जब कुछ चेंज ही नहीं कर पा रहे, कुछ क्रिएट नहीं कर पा रहे हो? दैट्स व्हेन एक्चुअली द जर्नी बिगैन ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग द बिजनेस. उसके पहले तो टाइम पास हो रहा था. हाँ, that's when I started digging deep, going to the floor, understanding how to create change, what to do, how to create systems, how to implement the systems, how to sustain the systems, how to hire better people, new people, how to engage the old people, what to do organizationally. And through that journey, a whole possibility sprung up when I failed, when it was a down moment. And I'm glad I did not choose the other path, कि छोड़ दो, चलते हैं. मैंने उसको possibility बनाने का मौका मिला. And from there, step by step, we took to now creating a whole science, a world-class science of how to go into an Indian business, transform it, especially a business that is going through an S-curve. वो मतलब startup से इधर आ गया है, but अब वो next level नहीं जा पा रहा. That was the business of my journey. And when I did this, and we created some great results in our business, we increased profits in excess, we did expansion, other people started asking for help. So we went and a whole plethora of things just started opening up. But it all starts from a dark day when you decide कि there's a fork in the road. ये करना है कि वो करना है. और आप ये रास्ता लेते हो तो उससे कुछ और ही नया पाथ निकल जाता है.
So I want to go back to that brilliant example जब आपने बोला वो ईगो पे लगा. Yeah, and normally it's for all of us. You're trying to do something. Normally when we interact with people and we get more closure, more affiliated to those people जो हमारी बात में हाँ करते हैं. So we say yeah. And sometimes if people are challenging, like you mentioned ना, this policy is not good. Somebody is telling those kind of strong statement. We say यार वो आदमी ठीक नहीं है. Now I want to understand that mindset, Naren, when you say that dark day, it hit on your ego. You have the full autonomy to take a flight back to US and do the job which you were doing. Obviously, you graduated from America, so you had a lot of things over there.
Correct.
What was your thought process or what was your mindset that you chose to be here, and what actually you transformed in your approach that, okay, let me try one more time with this thing. Why? Because there are a lot of audience and there are a lot of people whom I meet on day in and day out. I think this is one of the most profound thing they ask, that we are stuck and then we have to either go back to our comfort, कौन माथा पची करे, or either you need to create something out of that. So I want to understand your mindset on that aspect.
Absolutely. So अमेरिका में ना लाइफ बड़ा कंफर्टेबल था. आई हैड अ गारंटीड H1B वीजा जॉब जो लोग तरसते हैं उसके लिए, बट आई गॉट अ जॉब इन अ गवर्नमेंट और एन एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन, एंड गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशन में अगर आप जॉब करते हो यू गेट अ गारंटीड H1B वीजा. वहाँ पे जब मैं जॉब किया तो मुझे एक ही समझ में आया, यहाँ सब कुछ है बहुत कंफर्टेबल, सॉल्ट पेपर है खाने में बट स्पाइस नहीं है. लाइक एवरीथिंग वाज जस्ट टू गुड. And when everything is too good, na, it's like a billionaire kid having, suicidal thoughts because there is no struggle in life, right? Nothing wrong with the kid. The environment is so easy. So अमेरिका में सब कुछ बहुत कंफर्टेबल था, मतलब मसाला ही नहीं है. तो आप जीते 10-15 दिन बाद बोलते हो यार फिर यहाँ क्या करें, ये जॉब ही करें और ये 20 साल ऐसे ही चलेगा. तो द पॉसिबिलिटी गोज अवे. सो आई सेड इंडिया में that's a time when there's vibrance where you can go create an impact, create change, and your impact will go multifold. That's the process and the setup I was in. So I decided चलो आके business करते हैं. Plus also ये सब emotional romantic बातें अच्छी हैं, but एक practical बात है, India is booming like anything and it's going to go crazy in the next 20-25 years in terms of creation, possibility, value creation. So I said India is a good fit in this moment. And why I chose not to do, because it's not about where, it's about why you want to do something. Right? You talked about the power of why.
Absolutely.
So power of why was very clear. You want to create a transformation. And that's when that decision took place. So power of why realize करना है. लोग क्यों अटक जाते हैं? क्योंकि उनको लगता है क्या करें. आधे लोग मेरे को पूछते हैं नरेन क्या करें बिजनेस में ये प्रॉब्लम है ना, क्या करें. बोला सबसे पहले पूछो क्यों करना है.
Absolutely.
क्यों करना अगर पता है तो वाई क्लियर है. सबको पता है कि वजन कैसे कम करना है. सुबह 5 बजे उठ के जॉगिंग जाना है और कैलोरी डेफिसिट में कम खाना खाना है. तो सब करके क्यों नहीं रहे हैं? बिकॉज क्यों नहीं क्लियर है ना. पर किसी को डॉक्टर ने बोला अभी तुम्हारे 6 महीना बाकी है, आप उसको देखो, सुबह उठ के चालू, क्योंकि उसका क्यों क्लियर हो गया है. सो दैट वाज द बिग पॉसिबिलिटी फॉर मी इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्यू एंड हाउ टू मेक द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. द बिगेस्ट गेम चेंजर फॉर मी वाज अंडरस्टैंडिंग that even though I am in the seat of the business, leader or owner, things happen when you influence people. You cannot do everything. You want to do HR system, you want to do ये नहीं चलता है. आधा secret है influencing the people and the domain that you are an expert at, right? Like HR. When I started understanding how to influence people, and the best way to influence people is figuring out what is it that they are looking for and aligning what they are looking for with your goal. लोग बोलते हैं लोग रेडियो नहीं सुनते, पर आजकल सब लोग एक रेडियो चैनल सबके दिमाग में चलता रहता है. एंड यू नो व्हाट दैट चैनल इज? इट्स कॉल्ड WIIFM. नॉट 107, 104, 94.3, WIIFM. व्हाट इज इन इट फॉर मी. सबका दिमाग ये ट्यून है FM में कि मेरे को क्या मिलेगा, मेरे को क्या मिलेगा, मेरे को क्या मिलेगा. सब कोई सबकॉन्शियस यही सोच रहा है. यस. तो उसको क्या मिलेगा उसको दिखाने का है. जब तक आप उसको नहीं दिखाओगे तो अब उसको लगेगा नया HR पॉलिसी, ये तो मेरा हेडेक है, वो ये देख रहा है. बट जब उसको दिखेगा ये HR पॉलिसी, तो ये सीक्रेट मैंने कभी समझा नहीं.
Absolutely.
जब डीप डाइव करने लगा तो समझना आधा सीक्रेट तो ये है कि लोगों को इन्फ्लुएंस करना. दैट्स व्हाट लीडरशिप इज, राइट? इन्फ्लुएंसिंग पीपल टू डू व्हाट्स राइट फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इवन इफ इट्स नॉट कंफर्टेबल.
Absolutely.
So that's what my journey was. I mean, what is your take on this? About HR, I'm curious to know. What do you think requires change, since you're an expert in this?
I think, as you rightly mentioned, a lot of studies mention that if you know your people, you can grow your business. So I think that's the simplest take on HR, that if you are able to know what people desires are, what is their why they are associated with you, I think it's more of an alignment that you need to do with your team. And rightly you mentioned that what is in it for them, and then aligning the organization vision so that team is pulled towards that. Hota kya na Naren bhai, so we have this situation where we have to move from have to want to. The example that you mentioned, that जब आप बीमार पड़ते हो और आपको बोला जाता है अब आपको करना है, तो आप have to में आ जाते हो.
I'm actually curious, Sanjay, talking about influencing people, changing mind, and I feel like, for me also it was a fork in the road. What was it like for you when you started 5 years ago, because I know your background, right? Up PwC, TCS, solid HR professional, and then to decide, especially during COVID, ki, you'll start your own business. So, what kind of mindset and thought process were you going through? Like, what inspired you to do that? I've never asked you this question.
So there's not a particular incident that triggered me or inspired me to that. So just going back in the history, you know, I'm not a person who can sit along in front of camera and doing this podcast and all. For better part of my life, I think I would say 35 years of my life, I was a camera shy. I was a people shy person, even though I was in HR, but I was very shy person. I used to give tuition to kids when I passed my matriculation and 12th examination, and I could engage them. So, at that point in time, I used to charge 250 rupees for one kid for 1 month tuition. That is a daily classes. That was very less at that point in time, but still, and I had no clue what to teach them, but I had clue how to teach them. Yeah, so I had this knack of engaging those students so that they can learn of their own. I felt that I am able to create that kind of a ignition within them so that they can take up their life ahead and all. So I had this very great passion of influencing people, or rather facilitating their innate thing which is carrying inside, because I personally was a person who had a lot of things to share, but वो होता है ना दब के रहने वाला, लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग हंसेंगे. In fact, there was a situation when I never used to smile also. And it's a live thing. Reason being, I used to smile like putting a hand on my this, because जब मैं हंसता था तो मेरे मसूड़े साइड से दिखते थे. I was very conscious about why I should smile. Then my wife told me, you have such a beautiful smile, why don't you laugh out like a proper thing? And from that day, whatever pictures have been clicked, मेरे वो दांत अंदर नहीं गए. Yeah, so the change happened when I would say you accept what you are. I think authenticity has to be built in individual. If you start chasing people, if you start chasing, उसने ये कर लिया मैंने नहीं किया, वो इतने आगे चला गया मैं पीछे रह गया. I think कहीं ना कहीं you need to take a pause. You need to have that mindset. यार, I want to do this, and that happened to me. When I had, and I'm kind of a person, I can't stick in a particular role, I would say, or work that I'm doing. I want to create something new. It gives me kick, that why of me. I want to do something new, innovative every time. I had 6 bosses changed in my 10.5 years of TCS. Not because I didn't like them or they didn't like me. It was because man bhar gaya tha. It was like doing the same job. So I need to have that, creation mind going on. And then I thought, if I do something of my own, I can do one day something else. I can do second day something else. Office में तो आप नहीं कर सकते हो. There is a defined KPI and KRA. You have to follow that. But for me, I wanted to have that open space where I can be myself without any inhibition, and that was the mindset. And as I mentioned, like COVID was not the right time, but I realized at a later point in time, because when I resigned on 28th Feb, I think COVID case in India was only one. That was in Kerala. और किसी को नहीं पता था क्या होने वाला है. But I thought, let's do that. And in fact, when you mention about dark days, I want to share that thing with you. I faced a lot during that COVID time, because job is gone, because you have resigned. There's no client who can speak to you face to face, all virtual. Nobody knows why you have left the job, and all those things rumors are going on. And then either you just sit down, wash utensils during COVID, and then so I did
coffee
and try out all hands, jalebi ban raha and all those things. So I did 3 certifications. So I thought this is an opportunity for me to enroll myself in a lot of things which I am passionate about: human mind, human psychology. I did NLP. I tried on my hands on life skill coaching, and that's how the journey started. So again, there was not that possibility for me, but I thought, ab nahi to kab. And you need to get into that journey either today or tomorrow, because that's what your why, the calling is there. And that's how, it translated into that. But I really like the way you mentioned, the dark days. And when you are pushed towards certain things, aaj ki date mein bhi, I want to understand from your perspective how much internal and external part or influences play a role in shaping your mindset. Let me elaborate with a small example. If there is a coffee in front of me, and it's filled, and it's front of me, even though I don't want to have coffee, but अगर वो मेरे सामने है तो I'll grab that.
Yeah.
Because you can control your will to a certain extent. And if it is not there, probably I'll be not tempted to do that.
Absolutely.
So I want to understand when you meet different business people and all, and when you face different challenges, how much is your internal drive that channelize the discussion, and how much is the external nudges also that
Yeah.
plays a part in that? So what is your take on that?
Yeah. I think our mind is a collection of all the 5 sense inputs that we get. कहानी तो यही है. जिस दिन 5 लोगों के साथ आप रहते हो वैसे बन जाते हो, वैसा खाना का टेस्ट आता है, वैसा नेटवर्क होता है, वैसा हेल्थ होता है. एवरेज कर लो, ये तो लॉ है. एवरेज ऑफ द 5 people you hang out with. So I've always been very careful once I understood this to surround myself with the right people. That's why we built the organization in Calcutta where peer-to-peer learning happens, is because you want to surround yourself with those type of people because you want to be like that.
Yeah.
Right? There's a nice quote: show me your friends, I'll show you your future. Right? आपके दोस्त कौन है बताओ, मैं आपको बताता हूँ आपका फ्यूचर क्या है. सो ये तो प्रोवन साइंस है. आप जिस एनवायरनमेंट में रहते हो, जिसके साथ रहते हो, वैसे बन जाते हो. अब टॉकिंग अबाउट द काइंड ऑफ व्हेन आई गो इनटू बिजनेस, हाउ टू अंडरस्टैंड बिजनेस ओनर्स. सो यू आर एब्सोल्युटली राइट. आपका एक इंटरनल वाई स्ट्रांग होता है कि आई वांट टू गो ट्रांसफॉर्म बिजनेसेस. दैट्स माय इंटरनल प्रोफेशनल वाई, राइट? But having said that, when you go somewhere, you have to also see if they are ready for transformation.
Yeah.
Right? अब दुनिया में कितने लोग हैं जो लोग को और पतला होना है, including me. Right now, that's a goal. I want to get better at my health.
So there's a possibility.
But let's say someone is a coach. तो वो अब सबको तो पतला कर नहीं सकता है. क्यों? क्योंकि सामने वाले का भी आपको अलाइनमेंट देखना होगा ना, उसका स्टाइल, उसका मैचिंग, एक्सेट्रा. सो आई वर्क विद स्पेसिफिक काइंड्स ऑफ बिजनेस ओनर्स बिकॉज यू हैव टू सी योर टाइम इज लिमिटेड. पॉसिबिलिटीज आर ऑल, बट योर टाइम इज लिमिटेड, योर एनर्जी इज लिमिटेड. अब ये लिमिटेड टाइम एनर्जी को पॉसिबिलिटी को क्रिएट करना है तो उसके साथ काम करना होगा जो सबसे बेस्ट है आपके लिए. एब्सोल्यूट बेस्ट तो कुछ ही नहीं होता, पर आपके लिए बेस्ट कौन है, वो क्या फिट है, वो आइडेंटिफाई करना वो बहुत जरूरी है. दैट इज कॉल्ड स्ट्रेटजी. दैट इज योर स्ट्रेटजी ऑन हु यू वांट टू वर्क विद, एंड दे विल हैव अ स्ट्रेटजी. सो I have certain filters. Who are the kind of people I like to work with?
So I just want to pause you. What kind of filters you use?
So
I'm asking this because there are a lot of people who pick every battle.
Absolutely.
Yeah, they're getting clients, they want to work with all.
Yeah.
And they're picking up all small battles, which is not helping them grow.
Yeah.
They're part of different social platforms. Probably they don't want to be, but because hai to hai.
Absolutely.
So how do you filter out which battle, which client, which businesses you want to get invested in?
सबसे पहला फिल्टर है कि फोमो को छोड़ने का है. हम लोग जीते ही फोमो में है. अरे वो कॉफी पी रहा है, मैं भी कॉफी पीऊंगा, वो बुलेट प्रूफ कॉफी, वो भी. तो सबसे पहले तो फोमो छोड़ना है. अच्छा, फोमो करना है तो उस एरिया में करना है जहां आपको एकदम ग्रो करना है, तो उस एरिया में तो टोटल फोमो होना चाहिए. एचआर, यू वांट टू रीड एवरीथिंग अबाउट इट, बट आई डोंट हैव फोमो अबाउट what's the latest pub opening up in Calcutta because I don't drink, right? So I'm very clear boss, इधर पे फोकस करना है, इधर नहीं. तो फोमो छोड़ना पड़ेगा सब चीज का. अच्छा, दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑन हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई, हाउ टू क्रिएट योर फिल्टर. देन आई हैव सर्टेन अदर फिल्टर्स, राइट? लाइक आई डोंट वांट टू वर्क विद एवरी बिजनेस. वो फोमो है ना कि सबको मेरे को ट्रांसफॉर्म करना है. नहीं, अभी किसको कर सकते हैं. सो आई हैव सर्टेन फिल्टर्स. वन, they are generally owner driven businesses because that's my expertise, that's the experience I come from, so I'll probably be able to add more value. Right? मैं ITC में जाऊंगा तो maybe I cannot add value to the whole company as much because वो मेरा अभी expertise नहीं है, या फिर एक कोई startup है उधर probably my expertise is not there. Second thing is the person growth mindset. Are they willing to grow? अगर वो growth mindset ही नहीं है तो मैं जाके बोलूँगा growth की बात करूँगा तो मैं हिब्रू बोल रहा हूँ, वो हिंदी बोल रहे हैं, कैसे बात चलेगा? So and there are ways, right? I'm sure you have ways to growth mindset hai ki nahi. Are they talking about leadership? Third, are they willing to invest time, money? I'm expensive, I'm kidding, but are they willing to invest time and money? Because when someone investing time and money, then they are serious, they are putting their money where their mouth is,
right?
But someone says I want it, wishful thinking चल रहा है, तो उधर जाके आप सर पीटोगे, कुछ होगा नहीं, तो आपका भी एनर्जी लॉस हो रहा है. So are they willing to put time and money? These are some filters that I use.
So when you say growth mindset, so generally, coming back to the first question which you mentioned when you joined your organization, probably the person who mentioned to you what this policy is all about. So people operate at, not everyone understand what growth mindset or progressive mindset. जो हमें challenge feel होता है when we talk to people, आपके आने से पहले भी कंपनी चल रही थी. right, and why do you want to change, right? This is the first setback question which we ask. आप मुझे सिखाएंगे, I am working in this company for last 40 years, you will teach me now how to run business. So the point is, generally when you talk about growth mindset and all, what is, from which angle you perceive this growth mindset as it
कि कैसे फिल्टर करें ग्रोथ माइंडसेट है
ही
कि
नहीं? या
सिंपल है, आप लोगों से 3 4 5 सवाल करो, उसमें आपको समझ में आ जाएगा ग्रोथ माइंडसेट है कि नहीं.
ओके, वन.
एक आदमी है, वो बोलता है कि जिंदगी जैसी है वैसे ही चलती है. आपको पैटर्न्स दिखेंगे उनके कॉन्वर्सेशन में. हे, हाउ इज बिजनेस गोइंग? सेम एज यूजुअल. चलो, दिस इज वन क्वेश्चन. यू कैन नॉट टेक अ फुल जजमेंट ऑफ हाउ दे आर थिंकिंग फ्रॉम वन क्वेश्चन, बट यू आस्क 4-5 क्वेश्चंस. हाउ इज योर टीम लाइक? टीम इज देयर.
ओके.
सो ग्रोथ माइंडसेट जो नहीं है वो फिक्स माइंडसेट का है. उसको लगता है जिंदगी ऐसी है और ऐसे ही चलती रहती है, थोड़ा 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 थोड़ा. जो ग्रोथ माइंडसेट है, हाँ, स्टेबिलिटी, वो सोचता है ऐसे ही है, नथिंग कैन बी चेंज्ड मच, कुछ हो नहीं सकता, यहाँ पे तो ऐसा है, वो हाथ ऐसे बस ऐसे चल रहा है. ग्रोथ माइंडसेट पीपल आर थिंकिंग माई इनपुट, इफ आई चेंज माई इनपुट आई कैन चेंज माई आउटपुट. दैट इज द बेसिक फिल्टर कि बॉस मैं ग्रो कर सकता हूँ. मैं अगर अपने टीम को ट्रेन करूंगा तो शायद उनकी प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ जाए. मैं अगर अपने आप ये ट्रेनिंग के थ्रू जाऊंगा तो शायद मेरा कुछ बेटर हो जाए. मैं अगर उन लोगों से मिलूंगा या वो पॉसिबिलिटीज या वो चीज़ अटेंड करूंगा तो शायद कुछ बेटर आउटकम आ पाए. सो दे आर नॉट थिंकिंग दैट आउटकम्स आर स्टेबल, दे आर थिंकिंग माई इनपुट कैन चेंज द आउटपुट, एंड दैट इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन ग्रोथ माइंडसेट.
More of a hard wiring thing which happens in the brain.
Absolutely.
Because when I visit different places, and there are certain people who are like, ऐसे ही होता है, and this is the way we have been doing this. नहीं होता है, and so you do a lot of meditation, you do a lot of manifestation exercise. So what is your input on like how this hard wiring thing that happens within all of us, including me, you, and all the people, what all small baby steps we can take just to change that pattern? मुझे अगर यहाँ से I need to go 10 kilometers, I know I have been traveling to office in this particular location for last 10 years, I'll not change. I'm on my call, I'm driving, all of a sudden एक breaker आ गया, road block हो गई, then I start thinking, boss, but there is always a possibility that you can take an alternate route, but your mind is not ready to accept that, and I have seen people getting frustrated. यहाँ रोड ब्लॉक हो गया, कैसे करेंगे? बट देयर इज ऑलवेज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी. सो व्हाट इज योर टेक इन टर्म्स ऑफ steps, baby steps?
So science has proven this. There is something called neuroplasticity. This is a proven fact. Your brain can actually change. आप कुछ भी करते हो, आपके ब्रेन में न्यूरॉन्स यहाँ से यहाँ कनेक्टेड है, वो शॉर्टेस्ट पाथवे लेता है. तो हम सबके दिमाग में एक पाथवेज बने हुए हैं कि ये तो ऐसे होता है, ये ऐसे करना है. सो द बेस्ट वे टू चेंज is to change that neural pathway.
Okay.
अब ये neural pathway change कैसे हो? How to change it? It changes when you start adapting and learning new things. There's an easy and a tough way. The easiest way to change is to change your belief.
Okay.
अगर आप belief change करोगे तो वो possibility change हो सकता है आपके लाइफ में कुछ भी. Right? That is what we're talking about growth mindset. How to create change. So you have to change your belief. Now how to change your belief? One way is meditation. Why? Your subconscious carries all your belief, and your conscious mind carries the inputs that it's taking from the data. अब ये conscious mind से जो भी data आ रहा है ये जाके subconscious को influence कर रहा है और एक belief बन रहा है. अच्छा, sun rise from the east or west, संजय भाई? sun, सूरज rise from the east or west?
East.
आज आपने चेक किया था?
नहीं.
Belief है.
Right.
कोई चेक नहीं किया आज.
Correct.
मैं किसी को भी पूछूंगा, बट क्योंकि belief इतना strong है, न्यूरल पाथवे बना हुआ है, तो बोलता है सन तो ईस्ट से उगता है. मैं आपको बोलूंगा वेस्ट तो आप बोलोगे पागल है. चलो, ये बिलीफ आ गया, हम डेली नहीं चेक करते बट बिलीफ है. बट ऐसे कौन सा बिलीफ्स हैं जो हमको सर्व नहीं कर रहे अभी? इट इज नॉट वर्किंग फॉर यू राइट नाउ. जो बचपन से दिया गया है, हर एक पैसा बचाओ, जो ज्यादा नेगोशिएट करता है वो ज्यादा स्मार्ट होता है. अलग अलग बिलीफ है. मे बी सम वर्क सम डोंट. राइट? अमीर आदमी खराब होता है.
एफडी करो, एसआईपी नहीं.
एफडी करो, स्टॉक मार्केट में मत लगाओ, स्टॉक मार्केट जुआ है. अरे जो लोग सारे पैसे बना रहे हैं स्टॉक मार्केट से तो बना रहे हैं ना. अब उसमें आप जुआ जैसा खेल रहे हो, आपका प्रॉब्लम है. यू कैन पुट इन स्टॉक्स. सो बिलीफ्स हैं. अब ये बिलीफ कैसे चेंज होता है? या तो you go through intensity to change anything in life. You can do two things: intensity और consistency. अच्छा, intensity क्या है? आप एक crazy workshop के through गए, you went through an intense experience,
and then transformed.
Maybe a program or a deep meditation process which transformed you. intensity. So meditation is that, you go through an intense process and you go through other programs that are intense. एक है कंसिस्टेंसी. अब आप न्यूज़ बार बार देख रहे थे, डेली सुबह न्यूज़ में खबर आता है कि दुनिया में क्या सबसे खराब है, आप डेली न्यूज़ पढ़ते हो, तो आपका बिलीव है दुनिया में सब कुछ बकवास चल रहा है. हाँ, न्यूज़ देखोगे तो बस चढ़ना भूल जाओगे, गाड़ी चढ़ना छोड़ दोगे, होटल में खाना छोड़ दोगे, घर पे बैठे रहोगे, कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे, है ना. तो कंसिस्टेंटली क्या करना है? You want to take inputs in your senses that change your belief. Because if I come, repeat to you 10 times something, you'll start believing it. So what repetition are you letting your brain take?
So it may be like a useful belief and a non-useful thing, which are serving you, which are not serving you.
Yes, something is serving you, something कोई right wrong नहीं है.
So those are all limiting beliefs. I think I met a guy today only. बोला सर सारे लड़ाई का जड़ पैसा है. Money is the root cause of all the evils.
So वो belief है.
That is the belief thing. And when you talk about changing belief, I think when people think of possibility, we're talking about that there is a possibility that exists. I think first thing which you rightly mentioned, that we need to have that kind of a belief that if I have not done this, does not mean that I cannot do ever.
Correct.
If I haven't spoken in my school debate competition or participated in extracurricular activity, does not mean that I can interview you.
Absolutely.
So I think there are a lot of limiting belief, and I think this is a note for all the viewers out there that, जैसा नरेन भाई ने बताया, there are lot of limiting belief that restrict our true potential. If you want to actually realize your true potential and possibilities, we have to cut through this limiting belief which is not useful for you. हम लोग ये नहीं बात कर रहे हैं कि आप सारे बिलीफ को भूल जाइए और नए सिरे से कुछ करिए. वी आर टेलिंग अबाउट देयर आर सर्टेन बिलीफ जो आपके लिए यूजफुल नहीं है, keep it in a different bucket. There are certain beliefs which are useful, keep it in a separate bucket. And then, like what Naren mentioned fantastically very well, either go for an intensity or go for a consistency. Do more regular kind of a thing. So I think जो लोग सोचते हैं कि मैं ये नहीं कर पाऊंगा, I think वो कर पाएंगे अगर उनका वो belief system ready हो जाता है.
Absolutely. I mean, this is a great quote, na? If you think you can.
You can.
If you think you can't. Both ways you are right.
Absolutely.
आपको लगता है आप कर लोगे, आपको लगता है नहीं कर लोगे, दोनों तरीके से आप ही सही हो. तो आपका क्या सोच है? That is the question. I'll give you a funny example on
Please,
this.
yeah.
Who was the most brilliant warrior in Mahabharata? If you know our Indian, texts and history.
Arjun.
Okay. But कहते हैं सबसे
कर्ण.
बढ़िया कौन था?
कर्ण.
Karna, right? Now Karna was part of the Kauravas. Acha, this is a funny story. Arjun was also a great warrior, right? Who was Arjun's Sarthi, charioteer?
Krishna.
Krishna, also known as, Partha Sarthi. Because he was the Sarthi for Parth, who's Arjun. And funny बात ये है कि लोगों को पता नहीं, कर्ण का भी एक सारथी था. अच्छा, कर्ण was more brilliant than Arjun and he was more powerful. But the Karn Sarthi used to always tell him, तुम क्या अर्जुन को हरा पाओगे? हर समय डाउट डालता था उसके दिमाग में. सारथी मतलब क्लोजेस्ट, उससे बात हो रहा है. तुम क्या उससे जीत पाओगे? तुम क्या उसको दुश्मन को सामना कर पाओगे? हर समय डाउट. अर्जुन का सारथी कौन है? भगवान कृष्ण हिमसेल्फ. सो जो भी चीज का एपिटोमी बोल लो, पॉजिटिविटी का एपिटोमी बोल रहे हो, वही है. अर्जुन बोल रहा है मैं छोड़ के भागूंगा, वो कन्विंस कर लिया भाई तू इधर आके लड़.
So mentorship is that important.
That is the power of who you associated, what input, what constant feedback you are getting from people around you, who you are associating with.
Absolutely.
Belief, वही तो belief form कर रहा है.
So when you say, so let's dig more on that example that you mentioned about Krishna and Arjun, and I think the role that Krishna played, एक mentor का role over there. You have been doing mentoring for a lot many people. You have. So what is your one suggestion for all the aspiring people out there? How important or how crucial is mentor in one's life? And number two, how I can identify that this person is the right mentor for me. Most of the time when I face a lot of questions that I don't have a mentor. So how do I select that? अगर मैं किसी और को पकड़ के ले गया and that person is not helping me out in some way or other. So two questions to you. One, who can be the right mentor? And is mentorship important in terms of developing that person?
आप बोल रहे हो you mentor other people, that's only because I have taken a lot of mentorship. Life is too short to learn only from your own mistakes. जिंदगी 100 साल का है, 80 साल का है, 70 साल का है. उसमें खाली खुद गलती करके सीखोगे तो जिंदगी निकल जाएगी भाई. तो दूसरे की गलती से सीख लेना है. तो यही तो mentorship है. अच्छा, how to select the mentor? The best way to select a mentor is आपको जो फील्ड में एक्सपर्टीज करना है. And I have mentors in different fields, right? For spirituality, I have a certain mentor. For, health, I have a certain mentor right now.
So different life facets, separate
Right,
kind of.
because someone's an expert in something.
Absolutely.
Right? In business, I have a certain mentor. How to select the mentor? This is my thought process. अभी आप जिस एरिया में देख रहे हो उसमें वर्ल्ड में बेस्ट कौन है? क्या वो मेंटर बन सकता है आपका, या आप बन सकते हो उनके मेंटी? वो पॉसिबिलिटी है. अच्छा नहीं है तो सेकंड बेस्ट कौन है? नहीं है तो थर्ड बेस्ट कौन है? नहीं है तो फोर्थ बेस्ट कौन है? बस अपना तो यही फिल्टर है भाई. अच्छा, आपके सर्कल ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस में अभी ये बेस्ट है तो फिर उसको ले लो. बेस्ट पर्सन के पास जाना है मेंटरशिप के लिए, उस एरिया में जो एक्सपर्ट है.
ब्रिलियंट. आई थिंक ग्रेट एनालॉजी.
बस.
हम लोग जब स्कूल में भी पढ़ते थे, एंड इट्स वेरी सिंपलिस्टिकली मेंशन्ड, मैथ्स के टीचर आएंगे तो वो मैथ्स पढ़ाएंगे, एंड साइंस के टीचर आएंगे तो वो साइंस पढ़ाएंगे. सो देर आर पीपल हु आर एक्सपर्ट इन देयर पर्टिकुलर डोमेन. सो आई थिंक व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू मेंशन दैट इफ यू वांट टू सक्सीड इन अ पर्टिकुलर फील्ड, उसी फील्ड के टॉप 10 और टॉप 3 एक्सपर्ट्स को लेके उनके शिष्य बन जाइए.
Yes.
उनको गुरु बना लीजिए.
And something very powerful for me is there is a mentor beyond a mentor. And some people may believe in this or some people may not, but a spiritual mentor. Because वो क्या है ना, वो बाकी सबको ऐसे पॉकेट में रखता है. वो मतलब गाइडिंग फोर्स है. You know what I mean? Like Krishna was for some, Guru Nanak Ji was for some, Osho was for some. For me that's Sadguru in my life.
Okay.
Because politically etc लोग बहुत बोलेंगे, ये वो मैं उसका बात ही नहीं कर रहा. Because when you went somewhere, someone gave you guidance, you did that. Did you experience something? Did that change your life? That is the only filter for me.
Right.
बॉस चेंज नहीं हुआ तो 10 ज्ञानबाजी नहीं है, कोई पॉलिटिकल थॉट नहीं, कोई एजेंडा नहीं, कुछ नहीं. Did the person what they said, and if you did it,
It affected you or changed
did
you.
it give you results that you were looking for? Did it work? If it worked,
Ah,
then what to doubt?
correct. I was watching a web series today morning, and very interesting one. So this is a series on गाँव in a village. वहाँ डॉक्टर है एक, and that doctor is not an MBBS, but इलाज अच्छा करते हैं. And there is an MBBS, MD certified doctor. वो जो आते हैं उनके पास पेशेंट्स नहीं आते. तो आई थिंक फॉर देम दैट डॉक्टर साहब फ्रॉम दैट विलेज हु इज नॉट दैट सर्टिफाइड MBBS एंड ऑल, they can solve their problems
Yeah.
rather than this. So I think this you rightly mentioned that you have lot many people who can guide you, and obviously keeping aside the political agenda and other aspects and all, if somebody has helped you grow, if somebody has brought about a lot of change within you, I think you have to hold hand of that particular person.
Yes.
Otherwise क्या होता है, there's a very interesting say that there was a guy who was blind and वो देख नहीं सकता था. उसके जो इकलौती जो सहारा थी वो उसकी छड़ी थी. तो 10-15 साल के बाद ही गेट अ सर्जरी डन ऑन हिज आइज. उसकी रोशनी वापस आ जाती है. जब रोशनी वापस आती है तो सबसे पहले वो इंसान छड़ी फेंकता है. वो छड़ी जो सपोर्टेड दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन इन दैट डायर नीड, that person throw away. So I think it's a very profound thing which you mentioned, that there would be a lot of people who will meet you, who will try to help you out. किसी को help मिलता है, किसी को नहीं मिलता है. But if that is affecting you or helping you to get the result, I think that is the right guide force for you.
Absolutely.
And that's how you can create more and more positivity. Superb, Naren. I think those are fantastically, answered. I don't know how, there was deliberation and what you mentioned. There's a lot of things for our audience also to view, watch, learn. And, for all the audience, I want to take a note once again, thanking Naren for his amazing work that he has been done. See, his life is a testament of, कुछ नहीं से what he has done today. He always see things in lot of possibility. जैसे उन्होंने कहा ना कि अगर आप लाल चीज़ को देख रहे हैं, जहाँ आपका फोकस जाएगा, अटेंशन जाएगा, एंड आई थिंक मेडिटेशन में यही होता है. यू ब्रिंग योर अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स अ पर्टिकुलर थॉट एंड देन यू ट्राई टू वर्क ऑन दैट एनर्जी एंड एलिवेट दैट. तो आप जहाँ पॉसिबिलिटी देखना चाहते वहाँ होती है. एक बार हमारी ट्रेन छूट गई, एंड आई एम अ पर्सन हु मिसेस हिज ट्रेन अ लॉट. ठीक है, एंड पीपल गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एवरी टाइम यू मिस द ट्रेन. बट आई थिंक कि चल छूटा है, कुछ और मिलेंगे लोग. व्हेन यू सी थिंग्स फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट लैंडस्केप ऑल टुगेदर, यू ऑलवेज सी देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू लर्न. And with that thing, I think the Portly of Possibilities originated, and you all have tremendous untapped potential, guys. किसी के उनका हाथ पकड़िए, जैसा नरेन भाई ने कहा, that somebody who is instilling that belief in you that you can do it. And this someone did for me during my TCS days. I would like to mention, a lot of gratitude to him. he understood me like what kind of person I am. He gave me my first, I would say, an opportunity to speak in front of business heads. That was way back. I remember the date, 14th June 2010, because that was a, I would say, a remarkable day for my life. After that day, I started talking to people. I started doing sessions, workshops and all, and that completely changed that thing. So आपके लाइफ में भी कुछ लोग ऐसे होंगे who can inspire you, who can that scratch that surface and make you see things which you are not able to see.
Absolutely.
अगर वो आपके हाथ थाम लेते हैं तो आई थिंक नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल एंड देर इज लॉट ऑफ पॉसिबिलिटीज विद इन ऑल ऑफ देम एंड थैंक यू सो मच नरेन फॉर coming over here, giving your time, running from here to there, all your Spotify channels and all. Glad to have you here and thank you so very much. I think this is a small gratitude and remembrance for all of you. ये हमने पहला सेशन रिकॉर्ड किया आज and we'll see who all we can bring together in this platform, who can again inspire you, again instill a kind of an ignition where you can also explore your own possibilities over there. So thank you so much, Naren.
Thank you, Sanjay bhai. Many congratulations on 5th year of Dua's Knowledge Portly.
Thank you,
and in the commencement of the Portly of Possibilities. Congratulations to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. See you.